What's up everybody, Billy here, and I have some very exciting news if you're running Windows 10 and you're a gamer. On a blog posted on the Windows blog on June 29th of this year 2016 by Yusuf Mehdi, he's the corporate vice president of Windows and the devices group for Microsoft. In this blog post, he talks about the Windows 10 anniversary update, which has a whole slew of updates for it and a lot of positive things going for it. That's going to be released on August 2nd, so if you guys are looking forward to that, it's less than a month away, so be sure to check that out. But probably the most interesting part here, and it wasn't even highlighted near the top of the article, it's actually near the bottom and just above the last portion of it that talks about, innovation in modern classrooms, which could be cool if you're still in school and just to see the way that Windows integrates into schools and stuff. But there's this one that's talking about gamers staying connected and enjoying more games. So within this blog post, it is announced that with the Xbox Play Anywhere program, which Microsoft did announce back at E3 this year, you can actually buy a game once, either on, the Windows 10 platform or on your Xbox One, and you can play it on either your Windows 10 PC or Xbox One. And what it actually does is it actually shares your progress between the two systems, it shares the game saves, and it also shares the achievements. So which games is this actually going to be applying to? This is probably the most interesting thing. It's actually going to be applying to any new title published from the Microsoft Studios. And with that, that's basically any new title by them. So that means any title going forward like Forza or Gears of War, or dare I even say Halo, is going to be hopefully making a triumphant return to PC. I remember Halo 1 and 2 on PC. I absolutely loved that. I've been a PC gamer for a very, very long time. Probably both actually between consoles and PC. But for me, this is very, very exciting news because now if you actually buy a game, if you have an Xbox One and a Windows 10 PC, see, I don't know if you'll actually be able to play online or not, that's still to be noted, but this is very exciting news because it's actually showing the integration between the two platforms. It also goes on to mention a whole bunch of other things, like talking about the Cortana commands that you'll be able to use between the two of them, and even some of the new unified Windows stores between. That's also exciting too, but I thought that was the biggest thing, that games published by Microsoft Studios in the future will be working on both of them. And there you have it, folks. That's some really exciting news coming out of the Microsoft camp in terms of Windows 10 and the Xbox One. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to press that thumbs up button. And if you'd like to see more news videos just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well so you don't miss out on any more content in the future. And as always, guys, thank you very much for taking your time out of your day to watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.